Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix an issue where if you try to erase all data and content on your iPhone 16 or 16 Pro, it's stuck on loading. I'm gonna go to settings and try to demonstrate this issue. So when I go to settings, then general, then transfer or reset iPhone, then when I tap on erase all content and settings, then it's stuck on loading, as you can see. That means that my iPhone doesn't have connection with iCloud, and iCloud problems may be due to incorrectly set date and time. As you can see, it shows it's 2:59 and now it's 4:59. So to change this issue, go to General, then Date and Time, and now Enable Set Automatically. This will set the date and time automatically based on your location. And now when you go back to General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, erase all content and settings, and it's still stuck on loading, try to turn off settings, then turn it on again, go to General, Transfer or Reset iPhone, then erase all content and settings, and as you can see, it gets me to the next step. So I can click on Continue, erase iPhone, then I can enter the passcode for this iPhone, then it will backup, and then I need to enter my Apple account password, then click on Turn Off, and I'll be able to reset my iPhone. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.